Opening day of rifle season always felt bigger than just hunting. It was a time, a place, and the people I grew up with. Up in Bradford County, at Herb's cabin, we thought those hills went on forever. We'd walk out into the dark, hearts pounding loud enough to scare the deer away. And that's where it happened for us, the three of us, thinking we already knew everything. We all got our first deer on that land. Mine was a doe. My cousins Stephen and James both shot their first buck there. Didn't matter who got what, we were all just proud to be a part of it. We weren't good hunters yet, but we were becoming one. Now I'm back in that same season, only this time I'm not the kid. I'm the one waking my boy up before daylight, tucking warm socks into cold boots, and pouring hot chocolate into the thermos where coffee used to go. He's wide-eyed and nervous, asking 1,000 questions in a whisper. I don't have all the answers, but I know this is where they're found. And somehow, while I'm sitting beside him, I can feel the men who sat beside me. Their patience, their calm, their quiet pride as they watched us fumble through our first shots, thinking we were expert when we were only just beginning. That was their gift to us, not just the deer, but the time, the tradition, and the understanding that the woods can teach what people can. Someday my son will be able to tell his stories the same way we do, about early mornings, cold fingers, and a cabin full of laughter. He might shoot a buck, he might not shoot anything at all, but he'll learn who he is out there just like I did. Because opening day of Pennsylvania rifle season isn't really about filling tags. It's about watching a new hunter grow in the same woods that once grew you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to opening day of PA rifle season. This is Parker's first experience with PA rifle season. We've already heard 21 shots, and it's only like 7:10. So, we're up here in our blind. We got the buddy heater rolling. If you guys get anything today, let me know what you got, where you got it, and also, let me know what kind of gun you're using. Me personally, I like using a 30-06. Today, Parker's using
a 350 Legend.
Yeah, 350 Legend. We haven't gotten to test this gun out on any deer yet, so I'm very curious to see what it's capable of. Very low recoil, but it can still shoot. I think he's shooting 150 grain bullets out of that, which is really heavy. So hopefully we get to see the gun in action today. We have a couple really big bucks around. One that Parker has affectionately named Megalodon, and another one that you named Great White, and a couple of other smaller bucks. But Parker's got a pretty good rule for the day today. If it's brown,
it's down.
Yeah. We'll see how picky he gets. He says he's holding out for Megalodon, but we'll see what happens. At this rate, I'll be happy just to let him get a shot. That would be great. So, 22 shots. All right. A lot of shooting going on, so we're going to shut up, be quiet, and enjoy our nice buddy eater. 32 shots already. Baby. Oh, that was good for business.
As didn't feel anything.
Hey, I gotta tell you, not many other 8-year-olds are sitting in the ground blind, not seeing anything till 10 o'clock. You were up there for 4 hours. That's pretty good. Following you. You lead the way. But listen to me. When we get up towards Chestnut Ridge, really slow down. One of the last times I went up there, I don't know when that was.
What?
Maybe
Last
archery
time.
season. There was deer up there,
And you spooked them.
and I spooked them. So let's be careful. When we go up there, let's scan. Just go up enough that your eyes can look over the ledge. Okay?
Then we can shoot.
Yeah.
If there's a deer up there.
Yep. Sooner or later, there's got to be a deer on the property today.
Probably all of them are dead.
No, they're not all dead.
Humans are over 100 and plus shots.
Yeah, but we didn't hear 100 plus shots around here. They were off in the distance.
Well, we had 2.
We heard 2 close shots.
One deer is dead. Because that guy shot twice.
Okay. Can you hold this so I can load the gun?
So will my hiking boots.
Why?
My
Here.
first rubbing against my shoe again.
That one time I came up, the deer were right there.
Where the entrance is.
Yeah. Right where the entrance is. I figured he was gonna fall asleep, but I didn't figure it was gonna be that fast. I've only been up here for like 45 minutes, but I'm just gonna let him sleep. He hunts hard. 4 hours this morning, and I was the one who said let's go, not him. Well, it is 4:30, and I'll be honest, it's hardly any shooting. Not like this morning. This morning was crazy. Well over 100 shots. Be lucky if I heard 10 this afternoon. Parker's been asleep since about 2:45. Hey, I'll see you in the morning, okay?
Okay,
All right. Good job today.
thanks.
You sleep good, okay?
Okay,
Get ready for snow tomorrow.
okay.
Okay. Hold this.
That's yours.
That's yours.
Mine.
That looks pretty good, dude. Look at it steaming. Holy crap. That's gonna be a good sandwich. Hot food on a cold day. That's gonna be awesome. Yeah, it's really hot. Be careful with that, okay? Oh, good morning, everybody. I can't believe the flash came on. It's 7:30. We got snow coming down. Parker and I are eating our breakfast. We just warmed up sandwiches on the buddy heater. So, definitely a lot less shooting today. But for right now, I think once the snow really starts to fall, maybe guys gotta start moving. We might start seeing stuff. So, I just want to let you know, Mr. Parker, you did phenomenal yesterday. Not one complaint. Never, I want to go. No, I'm cold. Nothing. That takes a special person to do that. Especially not seeing anything. That's difficult. So I just want to tell you I'm proud of you. Okay. Alright. Well, we're going to hunker down and eat our breakfast and drink some hot chocolate. So, alright. Hopefully we see some deer.
While we didn't see any deer the entire time we hunted, I decided to still make this video just to document Parker's first time being out and to show his grit. That kid didn't complain one time about not seeing anything. Very proud of you, Parker. When you look back on this 20 years from now, I hope you remember the good times we had.